What's going on, everyone? Welcome. Rabid here, and ICERIVER officially announced their latest Kaspa miner, and it's looking like this might be the fastest ROI miner to date. So let's take a look at this right now. ICERIVER Kaspa KS5L is coming. Key features: 12 terahash, 3400 watts, $12,999. Now I went into their website. I wanted to see if my code would work, and it does look like code Rabid does grant you $324 off your order, bringing it down to $12,824. So I did the numbers to see what this thing does look like versus other miners, just to kind of compare to it, and it's looking like this is now the fastest ROI ASIC for Kaspa. So I do have links to various ASIC manufacturers, including ICERIVER, if you want to get this directly for probably the cheapest price. So here we are at the comparison versus all the other miners. You can see here in green is the best, where red is the worst. Now the ICERIVER KS5L, based on the discount code there, it's coming in at only $1.06 per gigahash, making this the cheapest miner per gigahash that you are purchasing, and is coming in a 12 terahash monster here. Now that's only not quite half of what Bitmain's is, but it is quite a bit cheaper compared to the pricing here. So ICERIVER is kind of making it very competitive in pricing, as making it the cheapest per gigahash here. Now it's also, because it is the cheapest, it's also the fastest ROI. Now this is based on Cedric coin numbers. Even though Cedric coin has been going down, hash rate has been coming off, profitability has been picking up on this, making it only 113 days to fully ROI over $12,000, which is crazy. Now this is coming in the same as the KS, what is this, the 3L, 3M? Yeah, they had L's and M's and all sorts of alphabet things happening. So it's coming in at the same amount of power here. So I guess that's kind of be expected, kind of what Bitmain did. So it's going to be interesting to see, you know, how well this miner performs, as well as did they fix all their issues, as KS3Ms and KS3s have been blowing up on people. So are those issues resolved now, and is this a more stable miner? That's still be determined. But here we can see the gigahash to watt ratio is 3.52. Now obviously that is only second best here, as we do have the Bitmain KS5 as the most efficient miner for Kaspa with 35 to 4,000 watts. I'm not 100% sure exactly what the power is, but it's 21 terahash. But definitely here, for people that are looking for more of a budget here, $12,000 isn't really a budget, but when the bull run hits, you know, depending on the price of Kaspa, these things could easily be over $20,000. But we'll probably have even bigger and badder ASICs out by then. But to compare this to something else that's new, the KA box, I can't really find any pricing or hash rates and stuff. I haven't tested this miner yet myself, so I don't know what it's doing, but I can see it's $1,800 shipped over at Crypto Miner Bros right here, but you still can't order it or anything. So I don't know any official pricing on this miner yet, so I'm just guessing the 1,800 with shipping there. It's around 400 watts, they say, 1.18 terahash. That's putting it at a price per gigahash of $1.52, and that's an ROI of 161 days. So it's not the greatest thing, but this is ultimately probably your best miner right now for all the home miners, but we still can't order these things, so I don't know what's going on with that. But regardless, guys, the ICERIVER KS5L is looking like the lowest price here per the hash rate it gives. It's looking pretty efficient at doubling the KS3M here at the same amount of power, but double the hash rate, and we're seeing the fastest ROI. There we have it, guys. Just a quick video. An announcement has released. We officially know the numbers of the latest Kaspa ASIC coming from ICERIVER. Now I know a lot of you guys probably want something like a KS0 Pro or a KS1 Pro or something like that, more on the home miner stage, but so far it's looking like they're upgrading the bigger ASICs, and who knows what could follow in the future. But thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Rabid out.